Oke guys, kita mulai guys. Oke guys, kita mulai dengan fokus guys. Kita main serang-serangan saja guys.
So we're off. Which way will this game go? Asked well.
Oke, Mendy.
Nicely played.
Stis ditangkap.
Goalkeeper eases the pressure. He chooses to throw this one out. It's Casemiro. Confident pass.
Iya
Great
guys.
chance here. He goes for goal. His teammates swarm him, and rightly so. Great stuff.
Gol guys.
Let's have a look at that one again. Celebrations are over, so the ref starts things up again. Still not a great challenge. It was good, but the keeper reacted quickly. The defender could be in trouble here. And that's a throw-in.
Yes. Lucas
Finds his
Vazquez
teammate.
guys. Lucas Vazquez
The
guys.
assistant kept his back down. He's offside. The ball is swung into the danger at Benzema. That's good link-up play. And here's a chance. And now Martinho. And that is a fantastic goal. They're kicking off after that goal. Will they change their approach to this match, though? Lucas in possession. The defender regains possession. And now they're going to try and break. Oh, he did really well there. Well intercepted. Good distribution. Passed inside. Great skill from this player. Passed well. He must score. Oh, that's good work by the defence. Just
Offside, guys.
offside. Headed on. Benzema. Oh, well intercepted. Confident pass. Benzema. And he's given possession away in a dangerous place. Well played. There's the whistle. It's half time.
Half time guys. Iklan guys. Ini iklan guys.
Can we go back to...
Kita babak kedua.
So, 45 minutes left of the game. Can the losing team come back from 2-0 down? Lovely passing here. That will be the goalkeeper's ball then.
Berlalu guys.
They're appealing, but he's onside. He's clear
Aduh
of the
guys,
defence, but
kejar
can he
guys,
finish
kejar
it?
guys.
Shot simply, no messing about there. Clean finish.
Anjir.
And we're back underway, but how will this team respond? And he plays the ball back. Gray. And he stayed onside. Goodness me, that was close.
Mister gawang. Aduh.
That's good link-up play. It's Casemiro. And that will be the goalkeeper's ball then.
Sabar guys.
As we keep
Ini belum dibeli guys, bagusnya nanti.
He's passed it out wide. What a well-timed tackle. Lucas in possession. The assistant's kept his flag down. He's onside. Pulls the trigger. Well, the keeper was well beaten. Can he finish it? Oh, it's tight.
Aduh
By the
guys,
referee's
gimana
assistant.
nih?
Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Good ball. They have the ball again. Finds his teammate. They've won the ball back again. The ball played back. That's nicely played. Oh, determined challenge there. Benzema. And they could be in trouble here. All that's left is to beat the keeper. Oh, pick that one out. Rocketed into the top corner. Let's take another look at that. Young boy, I've listened to the beat of my own heart underneath the sunset, like a magnet, collecting fragments, put me back together. This whole place takes my breath away somehow. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then.
Pemainnya
Good
belum dibeli
distribution.
guys.
Not a good tackle at all. Player is down and I think he's injured. Well, the fourth official has indicated 4 minutes of stoppage
Reload
time.
of free
After that
guys.
injury, they're making a change. We're into time added on now. He steps up to steal the ball. Oh, it's a clear chance. And he hits it. Oh, that's a really dangerous cross. Benzema. That's gone out for a corner. Benzema. The assistant points his flag. It's a corner kick. That was excellent. A great game all round. Yep, no arguments there. Great performance from a player who really is in fine form.